If you ever played the classic Prince of Persia and want to try its most challenging version, Prince of Persia 4D, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you exactly how to play Prince of Persia 4D on your PC without installing anything complicated. Let's get started. Step 1. Open any web browser on your PC. Chrome, Edge, or Firefox all work perfectly. In the search bar, type Play Prince of Persia 4D Online Classic Reload or Prince of Persia 4D DOS Retro Games. These are trusted websites that let you play old DOS games online safely. Step 2. Click on the official link of classicreload.com or Retro Games to CZ. Once the site opens, use the search box at the top and type Prince of Persia 4D. Step 3. You'll see a game titled Prince of Persia 4D 1994. Click on it. Wait for a few seconds while the DOS emulator loads the game inside your browser. You don't need to download or install anything. Step 4. When the game screen appears, click inside the window to activate your keyboard controls. If you see a message saying press start, simply hit enter to begin. Step 5. Here are the basic controls you need to know. Arrow keys, move your character. Shift key, grab ledges or pick up items. Control key, attack with your sword. Alt key, jump. Shift plus arrow key, walk carefully to the edge. Step 6. Remember, Prince of Persia 4D is much harder than the original. You'll find new traps, enemies, and puzzles designed to test your reflexes. Be patient, it's all about timing and precision. Step 7. If you want to play in full screen, look for a small full screen icon above the emulator window or press F11 on your keyboard to expand your browser view. Step 8. If your game lags, refresh the page or try switching to a different browser. You can also adjust the sound or speed options in the emulator settings if available. Step 9. Once you're done, just close the tab. The next time you want to play, visit the same site and load Prince of Persia 4D again. It's that simple. So that's how you can play Prince of Persia 4D on your PC without any download or emulator setup. It's quick, safe, and gives you the full retro experience right inside your browser. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more classic game tutorials and guides. I'll see you in the next one.